Hallo, ek is Jacques Leeu en ek is in Magaliesberg. Kom ontdek Route 24 Magaliesberg saam met my. Kom ons gaan. En hier is ek nou by Noble Village. Die man wat ons hier moet ontmoet, sy naam is Jomo. My jene, kyk nou net hier. Sien julle wat ek sien? 'n Treintrok. Kyk nou net. Kyk nou net hoe mooi is dit, né? Sjoe. Hoorie, ek moet vir jou sê, ek is aangenaam verras om hierdie ou treintrok hier te kry. En dis oud, nee. Kyk, dis nog in die dae toe hulle dit nog mooi gedoen het, goed gedoen het. Kyk, al die houtwerke nog hier binne. Ene, kyk, hy slaapbank daarbo. Ek sal nie op hom kan slaap nie, met my dik alie gaan ons deurval. Maar kyk net. Ai, ene. Ja. Ek gaan nou met Jomo gesels, as ons rustig sit. Maar ek moes eers hierdie ding kom afneem. Wie van julle het nog in sulke treintrokke gery, onthou jy? Dis skoon nostalgies, kyk hier. Hier's jou kompartementnommers nog. Liewe genade. En hier, kyk hierdie ene. Sjoe. Ek onthou nog hoe ons in so 'n trein gery. Many moons ago. Kyk hier. Dis noodstop. Sjoe. Hier natuurlik nou verander met 'n buitedeur in. Jy kan sien hulle het hom verander, hier was 'n boekwinkel in. Jou mooi hout. Hier. Sjoe. Kyk net hier. Ek wonder of 'n mens nog van hierdie goed kry deesdae. Trok 8215. Sjoe. Daar sy. Kyk nou net hoe pragtig is dit. Okay, so daarvan daar af, badkamers daar agter. Ons gaan nou gesels want ek is seker daarvan Jomo het planne met hierdie plekkie wat hier staan. Daar's 'n lekker restaurant daaronder. Ons gaan nou restaurant toe. En maar kyk hoe lyk die plek man, hier tussen die bome, ek hoor die rivier hier in die agtergrond lekker loop. Dit klink so mooi. Sjoe. Nou goed, ons het nou lekker middagete geëet hier saam met Jomo en sy vrou. Ek moet vir jou sê hierdie kok, ek moet haar saamvat huis toe. Sy weet wat sy doen. So nou gaan ons deur hierdie eiendom loop en hy gaan vir ons wys wat hier is, wat hulle beplan en wat nog weer gaan aan die gang gesit word. Hulle het so 2 maande terug hierdie eiendom gekoop, maar ons gaan nou in die onderhoud gaan ons meer daaroor gesels. So kom ons kyk, hy is ek dink as ek nou moet sê, uit sy vrou se oë, 'n collector of rubbish. Ek dink in sy oë is hy 'n collector of smart things, want hy hou van antiques. Kom ek wys julle hoe lyk sy antiques, wat hy hier het. Kyk al die fietsse. Wanneer laas het jy dit gesien? Ou staaldakke, wat ons in die army genoem het 'n staaldak. Nog 'n fiets. Nou hier's baie dinge wat gaan gebeur. En soos ons loop gaan Joma vir ons vertel wat hulle beplan, wat alles hier gaan gebeur. Hier mis ek amper. Kyk hierdie ou tasse. Dis tasse van die ou daai, jy weet toe jy daai tyd was nie fone vir die kinders nie, so hulle die kinders in die tasse toegesluit. As die kinders lastig geraak het. Skoene. Kyk hier. Tikmasjiene, liewe genade. Kan jy ek is bly ek maak nie meer films op hierdie ding nie. Siemens nog. Sjoe. Kyk hierdie lig. Ons gaan nou terugkom hier en alles hier binne afneem. Kom ons loop eers deur die eiendom en dan hoor ons wat sê Jomo en sy vrou wat is hulle planne met hierdie plek. Jomo, jy's aan die woord. Wys vir ons.
Ja, hierdie farm is 7.5 hectares. Dit het 'n rivier wat deur die land oorgaan. En hierso het ons 'n restaurant. Daar's ook activities vir teambuilding, zipline, 'n kinderspeelplek. Ek sal alles vir julle wys as ons deur die land gaan, ja.
Kyk net hierdie lekker restaurant hier. Ons het daar geëet en dis hoekom ek sê ek gaan sy chef steel. Kyk, hier staan nog ou skaal. Jomo vertel vir my toe hy het begin met hierdie goed bymekaar maak so met tyd saam. En op 'n dag toe gooi sy vrou hom en sy goed uit die huis uit, toe sê sy vir hom dis nou klaar. So toe moes hy plan maak. En dis hoe hy aan hierdie eiendom toe nou eventueel gekom het.
Yeah. Some of the bicycles hulle het die ou lisensies. Kan jy onthou?
Ek onthou ons moes lisensies gehad het.
Ja, jy moet 'n lisensie geld tax betaal.
Ja.
Some of them still have their old licenses. Ja.
Ja,
baie oud.
Kan jy glo? Baie bicycles.
Yeah, I love bicycles.
I love bicycles.
Ja.
So Jomo, hierdie groot gebou waarna toe ons nou stap. Toe ek inkom het ek hierdie monstrosity gesien. En liewe ouers.
It's a very interesting
Ja.
building. The structure, it's got a curiosity factor to it. And they say in the past it was like a fairy house.
Okay.
They had the fairy theme
Ja.
en al die goed daar en gehad. So over the years, I think they just let it deteriorate, but we have some plans for resuscitating it.
En nou gaan ek dit maar noem. Toe ons hier aangekom het, was hierdie ou phone booth glad nie geverf nie. En kan jy nou glo, in die tyd wat ons gesit en eet het daai ou phone booth weer sy vel gekry.
Ja. Hier aan die kant, ons gaan die koi pond maak hierso, want dit is right next to the kiddies play area.
Ja.
So what we would like is for the kids to be able to feed the koi there. En hierso wat ons nou skoonmaak, it's going to be an area that we're going to put rabbits.
Okay.
It's going to
For
be
the kids
rabbits
too.
here and geese that will be here. So the children play, they come and they look at the animals, they feed the fish and all of that, so that the kids can enjoy themselves while the parents
enjoy themselves.
In the restaurant there.
Hierso is die kinderspeelarea. Nou hier's ook 'n walk trail, 'n hiking trail.
Ja. So hier maak ons net skoon. Van daar af ons gaan daai hokke hierso aanstel.
Okay.
For the rabbits and
Ja.
and that.
Ja.
Yeah.
I can understand why you said you don't want to tear this down.
Yeah. It's a beautiful
Look
building.
at this building.
It's really wow. And the structure is still solid. There's a big tree that fell on it there.
Oh yes.
So I just need to get a structural engineer to have it checked.
Ja.
Van daar af ons sal besluit wat ons gaan daaroor doen.
Ja. Kyk hier bo. Dis pragtig. It's a full story.
Ja. Van buitekant dit is baie groot, maar daar binne das
Small.
ja.
Ja. Beautiful.
So yeah.
Very beautiful.
So
Oh,
let's
I
walk
see.
around that
Yeah.
way because then we're walking on the outline of the property.
Okay.
En daar's die rivier daar aan die kant.
Okay.
Ja.
En hier is zipline.
Ja, hier is al die goedjies, team building, zipline, al die goed. Obstacles,
Ek hoop julle kan hier op die video die zipline sien. Maar as jy nou volg daarvan die groen af, daar gaan hy. Daar gaan die zipline. Al die pad daai kant toe. En daar is so 'n brug waaroor jy moet loop. En bome wat jy moet klim. Jomo, when this is all fixed up and this is going to be a nice place.
yeah. Here it used to be a pedal cart for kids,
Oh yes.
but I don't like it because I think it's too small.
Yeah,
You know, you just need to
More
open
space.
it up a bit.
Yeah. Obstacle course. Yes. And you can braai as well.
Ja, daar's klomp van hulle hierso, braaiplekke. So die ander mense hulle sê nee, ons wil net kom braai.
Ja.
And
Ag, soos lekker day visiting
ja.
hier by die spruit.
Actually nou die dag daar was 'n familie wat hierso gebly. Hulle het gesê hulle kom potjiekos vir hulle self doen
O, okay.
met gas.
Okay.
So they said yeah, they also spend the whole day here.
It's so lovely under these trees, I'm
Yeah.
telling you. beautiful, beautiful under these trees. I wanna show the people that.
Yeah.
Kyk daar. So wat Joma nou gaan doen is hy het klaar kontak gemaak met die persoon wat die ziplines en die goed gedoen het. So hulle gaan dit nou weer alles check en alles reg kry, op standaard kry, sodat die mense dit weer kan gebruik. Maar dink jy nou nie dit is nou 'n lieflike plekkie tussen die bome nie? Ja. Kyk daar. En hy gaan vir ons nou wys, maar daar is kampeerplekke wat hy beplan ook. So dit wil ek graag sien.
Yeah.
Joma, let me show them the
river.
coming
Yeah.
through here.
Yeah. Moenie daar oorval nie.
Ja.
Hierdie is die stelste van die rivier.
Okay.
Dan die ander plek, jy sal hoor daar. Daar's
Ja.
So it's got quiet places
Ja.
and then it's got those
Rapids,
ones.
yeah.
So which is quite interesting.
Sure. I think you've got a little hidden gem here.
You're not the first to say that, you know. The other one says to me, you got a gold mine here, Jomo.
Yeah.
So now with the restaurant going, because as you can see, there's too many overgrown trees here.
Yeah.
We just need to trim a bit.
Yeah.
Netsua biki, you know. Here, this side.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
can hear it. So this is where the rapid is. Oh, and it flows from left to right.
Yeah. And you see here, you just clean up a bit. There can be a nice campsite here. You know,
Lovely.
right next to the river.
Next to the river.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Is that also a braai?
Yeah, that's a braai. There's a few of them all around.
You see, so it's already
the farm.
there.
It's there. It's there.
Wow. I will pick this one.
Yeah. You're sleeping and the sound
Yeah,
of
and
the
sound
water.
of the water.
Yeah.
Shoo. So, Joma, when you come into to get here with a caravan, how do you get here? You still need to make a path, or
No. At the gate, as you enter the gate, you turn immediate left,
okay?
and then it will come. You'll emerge there.
Oh,
But what I need to do is to level that road,
yeah, for caravans.
because it's buggies that can come in nightly,
yeah.
but a normal car will
Yeah,
circle a bit.
Ja. Kyk net hier. Wie gaan nou nie hier wil kampeer nie? Sjoe. At the riverbend.
Yeah. And over there, we have a small waterfall there
Oh,
on the corner there. Depending on the water level,
ja.
you know, like now it's a little bit quiet, but when the water level rises, you will see the water comes from the top.
Okay. Joma, tell me, and is that also on your property, or does your property end on the
The river separates the
Okay,
properties. So
okay.
this side of the river, it's another property.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I haven't been inside there yet. So
I also don't want to go inside there.
I
Get
don't
kids
know
to get in there,
I
they
don't
will
know
tell
how
you.
deep it is. You know.
Lovely. Hier.
Yeah.
Kyk hier.
Not the slippery.
Yeah. But so just by cleaning up
Yes.
your stands,
Yes.
I mean, taking out some of the overgrown trees
Yeah,
to get in.
Yeah.
Phew. You
See
would
the-
never have thought this is here.
Yeah, it's a beautiful area. Just
Ew.
that clean up,
So quiet.
cutting, overgrown, and the grass. We cut it when we came in here with a grass cutter,
Yeah.
but it got tired, so it's
yeah.
in for repairs now.
Okay.
You actually need an industrial one.
Yeah, you need a like
know,
a bush cutter or something.
Yeah.
Kyk hier.
So
Nou ek moet vir julle sê, jy gaan sien daar's 'n moerbeiboom of hier is ook moerbeibome op die terrein. En hierdie chef inkorporeer dit wat hier is in haar voedsel. En ons nagereg het lekker moerbeie bygehad. En Jomo sê vir my sy wil hê hulle moet haar krye en goed wat sy gebruik in die kos moet geplant word hier, laat dit vars krye is.
Ja.
So dit gaan ook nice wees.
rustig, you braai there, nice and cool.
En as jy nou na my aard, dan steek jy die vuur aan. En solank as jy die vuur aan die gang is, dan kuier jy nou rustig. En by die tyd wat jy nou dink dis reg om te braai, die kinders al gaan slaap en jou vrou is die veteran vir jou. So hulle kan lekker gaan eet hier by die restaurant en dan jy net maar op jou eie aangaan om te braai. Kyk hier. Is this the route in?
Pardon?
Is this the route in?
No.
Okay.
I just wanted to show you. Kijk daar zo.
Jo. Gaan 'n bok. Kyk nou, dis nou wat lekker is van die plek. Kyk, hier's bankies.
So
Dis 'n 4x4 trek.
here it's basically now we're planting roses here.
Okay.
Het gaan na rose garden wees hier so.
Oh.
So daar gaan baie roses wees en dan sal ek vir julle mooi verduidelik wat ons beplan hier so. So daar die klippe is van die rivier af.
Okay.
Ons maak 'n nice path with the river stones all the way, and on the sides there, as you can see, we've started planting the roses. So daar moet baie roses hier so wees,
Ja.
different colors on the left and on the right, and as jy so inkom, dan is daar 'n mooi bankie daar so met roses daar agter all around.
Okay.
Daar gaan roses daar wees. Jy kan lekker hier sit and disconnect and just relax and listen to the sound of the river running. And then over there you can see the river splits into two, and there's an island there.
Okay.
Now the concept here is that those long dead trees ons gaan by mekaar sit hierso en 'n brug na die island. Then you can walk across to the island. Then as jy throw, die pastoor en die couple gaan daar by die eiland wees. Daar ook ons gaan baie blomme plant.
Okay.
Then you can have your wedding there or your renewal of your vows there. En as daar iemand wat sê jy mag nie trou nie, nou daar's 'n ander land daar. It's not it's another jurisdiction.
Ja.
The objection doesn't apply there. Yeah. So some people might say, we just want to have our lunch here.
Ja. Ja.
And we will, whether it's a picnic basket, ons kan vir hulle mooi reël,
Ja.
dan sit hulle hierso en lekker kuier.
Nice.
Yeah. So yeah. So again, here there is a whole lot of cleaning up.
Ja,
Of the
there's a
debris,
lot of work to be done, ja.
Yeah.
So hier is die eiland waarvan Jomo praat, wat hulle dan gaan inrig dan vir die huwelike, wat jy daar die predikant in die kapel kan staan. En dan sê vir my, hier's nog so 'n hidden gem hier om die draai. O, genade. Kyk nou hier tussen die bome.
Just be careful of the
Ja.
rocks.
Jessie. Dink net hoe lekker. Gaan jy hier sit, storieboek en lees of net
Ja.
relax? You're gonna clean up everything.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hier. So watergat. By die rivier. Lekker. This is beautiful.
Yeah. So he saw someone wants to come and sit. I thought I would put a solar lights,
Oh yes.
maar I decided nee, ek gaan die ou lampie, die olielampie,
Ja.
twee van hulle hierso en daarso. Dan
Okay.
kan jy lekker kuier hierso
Ja.
alleenig en in that oil lamp
Ja.
lights.
Atmosphere.
So yeah.
So Jomo, I suppose you went through this property like every little inch.
I walk it every now and again, really. And every time I discover something.
Something new.
So, kyk hierso, jy kan ook hierso camp.
yes. With the
We just
tent.
clean up, level a little
Yeah.
bit. There's a campsite right on the river. So, check there.
Okay.
See, it's just there. Look.
Ja.
Ja.
Nou kyk nou hier. Hoeveel eintlik staanplekke is hier wat jy kan maak. En jy weet, ons het nou so met die rivier langs geloop, maar as jy reguit deurloop, is dit net hier. Nou Jomo sê hy gaan nou sy volgende groot investment is 'n blussie geriewe vir die kampeerterrein.
Yeah.
Kyk, hier is nog braaiplekke. Jomo, this is going to be a very nice camping spot.
Hi, Lawrence. Yeah. So here, it's basically just to clean up, level up,
Yeah,
and you can see this way, you can see that,
that way, yeah.
Yeah. So it's a quiet part of the
Sure.
river. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I see it goes from there.
Yeah, it goes right up. So
So,
what I would like to do is to just open it up a bit.
yeah, so you can
so
see
you
the
can
whole
see
flow
right through there. Yeah.
from there behind.
Yeah.
And then it
So-
comes here.
Yeah. So that's basically the the plan. And then when you go through the 4x4, you would basically go this way. You can hear where the road is.
Yes.
So as you go to the side where the road starts, there is that under the road
you go
bridge
underneath.
that goes onto the other property. Yeah. So yeah.
So Jomo, this 4x4 route,
Yeah.
is that still gonna be active?
It's the same as the hiking.
Oh, okay.
So it's the same. The 4x4 is on the same property,
Okay.
the same.
Okay. So the vehicles
They
will also
just start here.
drive. Yeah.
They start here, they drive through, and then they
Okay.
go under the bridge to the
Okay.
next property. Yeah.
Hier's baie werk om te doen.
Yeah.
Maar as en as ek hierdie man se entoesiasme so kyk
Yeah.
en luister, dink ek dit gaan binnekort gaan jy 'n groot verandering hier sien.
Yeah.
Want hy's baie lus vir hierdie plek.
Yeah.
Kyk jy tussen die bome, genade. En hier's wild. Ons het nou 'n bokkie gesien. Hier's ape. Hulle is sommer mak hier rond.
Yeah. You see, there's some animals.
Ja, I see this
here.
animal
Yeah.
tracks, ja.
Yeah.
So, where do you have an idea to put your ablution?
We looking more at the central area
Oh
here.
yes, so everybody
You
can
know,
access.
so they're easily accessible.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, and then obviously you'll have water here, so that's
Yes.
not going to be an issue.
yeah, yeah. So
Electricity?
the
Are you gonna make
electricity
some of them?
we'll have to.
Yeah.
We will have
Okay.
to. Yeah. We'll have to. So you were asking me, how do you get?
Oh yes,
in
to
here?
get in
So
here from there.
This road takes you right up to the gate.
Okay.
Yeah. So at the end, it goes to the left.
All right.
So when you enter, you turn left and then just follow
come
the
in
road.
here.
You will end up there.
Okay, so that's also the access route then for caravans.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Natuurlik sal dit nou so gemaak wees dat karavane kan maklik inkom.
Ja.
Maar ek is opgewonde vir Jomo se part, want ek dink dit gaan nou 'n lekker plekkie wees hierdie.
Yeah.
En die lekker van dit alles is jy die restaurant, die bar,
Ja.
as die manne kom kamp. Natuurlik is daar manne wat nie van die rugby kan wegkom nie.
Yeah.
So as jy hier kom kamp, kan jy nog steeds restaurant toe gaan,
Mm.
paar doppe dae gaan sit en drink en jy kan jou game kyk op die groot
Mm.
TV. Glo vir my, dis 'n groot TV.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
hier kom ons nou weer terug na die gedeelte waar ons net nou was.
Space here.
So hier gaan tafels met sambreeltjies kom
Yeah.
teen die rivier.
Then I must barricade this, so
Ja.
die mense moet nie oorval nie.
ja. En hier is by die rivier.
Mm.
Oh, there's a bridge there as well.
There's a bridge over there, and this side of the bridge is quiet. That side of the bridge.
Oh, there's
is
another
actually-
rapid on that side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me walk that way.
Yeah.
Dis is nou aan die agterkant van die restaurant. Nou vir iemand wat hierdie plek gekoop het 2 maande terug, na die plek meer as 'n jaar gestaan het en hy het al vermag wat hy hier vermag het. Oh, look at the water
Yeah.
cutting out your filling.
You hear the difference.
Ja,
Baie stil hierdie kant.
So what's your plans with the bridge?
Yeah, I just gonna paint it green and barricade. From that off, I'm gonna put the wine barrels here. I don't want chairs here. Die mense moet net bietjie kuier hierso, dan gaan hulle terug daarna.
That's a very good idea. A bridge to nowhere.
Yeah, it goes nowhere. Bridge to nowhere.
Sjoe. Kyk hoe pragtig is hierdie rivier hier af. Kyk daar. Nou wil ek vir jou die ander kant wys. Lekker rustig hierdie kant. En hierdie kant sit jy weer met 'n rapid. Tussen die klippe.
So yeah, it's just to trim a bit.
Yeah,
so
yeah, just so you can see.
Yeah.
But I think your idea with the wine bar here, that's very nice.
Yeah.
So Jomo, it looks like you have thought of every single corner and space on this property to do something with it.
Yeah, look, like I said, the restaurant on its own is not sustainable.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you've got to have all those
Other things.
income streams that
Yes,
support the
yes.
restaurant. So yeah.
Ja, ek sal graag hierdie plek oor 'n jaar weer wil sien.
Yeah.
Ek dink dit gaan lieflik wees.
Yeah.
But you must get my caravan spot ready, né?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So yeah.
Voor ek in Jomo gesels, wil ek jou daarom net wys hoe lyk die restaurant. Nou imagine, onthou, 2 maande terug het hy hierdie plek gekoop wat vir 'n jaar toegestaan het. So al die ou goed wat jy hier binne sien, dis wat hy bymekaar gemaak het. So oor die jare. Maar kyk nou hierdie lieflike setting wat ons hier het. Kyk hierdie restaurant. En manne, ek het vir julle gesê, daar's 'n big screen. Hier is 'n big screen.
Yeah.
How big is this?
This is a 86.
Kyk, as jy nie die 3 hier sien nie, dan gaan jy hom nooit sien nie. So, 'n lieflike plekkie om te kom kuier. Kom ons gesels gaan met Jomo. Goed, nou julle het nou al vir Jomo gesien, soos ons hier geloop het. Ek en Karen het die voorreg gehad om nou die middag hier te spandeer al. En ek sê vir jou, elke keer as ek kyk, dan sien ek iets anders, dan moet ek eers soontoe gaan. As Jomo my soek, dan is ek weg agter hom, want ek eers iets anders gaan kyk. Hier is die man, the man of the place, hier voor my. Jomo, please tell us, what happened that you got this place?
Thanks and good afternoon. I have been collecting antiques for many years, different kinds of antiques, Coca-Cola, military, Africana, and it got to a point where my house was full of, as my wife would say, junk.
So she threw you out.
And there was a bit of a challenge there.
Oh, yes.
And so in the end, Om Vredesnaam, I needed to get a place for my junk. And that's when I started looking for a small plot, really. That's what I was looking for, where I could keep and display all my antiques.
Specifically in this area, or
I was
anywhere?
looking here and I was looking in Randfontein.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm originally from Randfontein and I live now in Krugersdorp. So those were the two. I didn't want it too far or too near. And here it's 30 minutes away from my house in Krugersdorp.
Okay.
So that's how I started looking. And as I was looking on Property 24, I came across this farm here, a Noble Village. And I looked at it, and eventually I set up an appointment to come and view. And I came with my son. We had a look at the gate. We didn't come in. And later on, I came with my wife, and we were allowed in, and we had a look. And the thing that sold it to me was the river.
Okay.
Yeah, when I saw the river,
Beautiful,
it was a deal maker. And that's basically when the negotiations for the purchase started. And the previous owner was really, really helpful. And he allowed me to buy this from him. And that's where it started. I wasn't looking for a restaurant, but the farm came as a parcela with the farm. And it then made a lot of business sense for us to get the restaurant going as quickly as we can, so that we could start generating some income. 2 months down the line, the restaurant is up and running. We've got a brilliant chef here, Mapule. She makes really, really tasty, first-class kind of food. And the decor here comes out of my antiques collection, and it fits in very nicely with the environment and the ambience that we wanted to create here. And people can come here for any events, kiddies' birthdays, year-end functions. I just showed the colleagues the area where we would even have weddings. So there's a whole lot of options here, and the river is a very nice backdrop of everything that we do here. So for tasty food, dinner, lunch, breakfast by the river, you could come to Noble Village. And we also have a train here. That is a very interesting feature of the farm. We will also be incorporating it into our offering in terms of dining and accommodation as we go on with our plans. The farm has a lot of braai areas that are available for hire, and the next step is to construct then ablution facilities, additional toilets and showers, and then people can camp by the river at Noble Village. So everybody is invited to check us out on TikTok, on Facebook, and on Instagram. From time to time we do post the things that we do here.
En definitely on pad langs deur die RSA, want dit is op ons website, dis op ons Facebook, dis op ons YouTube.
Yes.
And I've just said to Jomo, he must keep us up to date with what they're doing here. So hy gaan vir ons gereeld goed deurstuur, foto's, video's van wat hulle doen. Ek is baie geïnteresseerd in die treine, ek is baie geïnteresseerd in die kampeerplek, en ek is baie geïnteresseerd in daai monstrosity van 'n huis wat daar staan, want daai is 'n lieflike venue op sy eie. So Jomo, yes, you've got a lot of work ahead.
Yes.
Time and money-wise. But I wish you all the best. Really, I do. And when we come through this area again, we will make a turn here. We will support your restaurant. Definitely. Your chef is excellent. The food is top quality. Excellent. Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much. Ek waardeer die support wat ek van julle kant gekry. Thank you.
Groot plesier. Thanks, Jomo.
Thanks.